Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make the easiest crochet slipper you have ever seen. I made this slipper for adult size, but you can make that for each size you want. You can adjust the instructions and make that for baby size, child size, teen size, or even larger sizes. This slipper is made by making one rectangle only. And I made that with a worsted weight yarn and 5mm hook. If you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to start the work with leaving a long tail for sewing the front part of the slipper, and then make one slip knot and make some chains. The length of these chains should be at least a ½ inch longer than your foot. So you should measure the length of your foot from the toe until the heel, and then a chain until reach a ½ inch longer than the length of your foot. I made 40 chains based on the length of my foot, but the number of these chain may be different for you based on your size foot. And now start working one single crochet into the back loop of all of these stitches. These are 2 loops from each chain. Turn the work to see the back, and this and this and this, and these loops or these bumps are the back bump of each chain. So skip the first bump and insert the hook into the second here and make one single crochet into that. Go to the next bump, the back bump of the next chain here, and make one single crochet. Again, one single crochet into the next bump, and continue that work and make next single crochets into the back bump of each chain. Continue until the end. Row 1 is finished, and now I have 39 single crochets. Make one chain and turn the work, and then make one single crochet under the 2 loops of the first stitch, one single crochet into the next stitch under 2 loops of that, and repeat making single crochets until each stitch of previous row. Row 2 is finished, and again I have 39 stitches. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. In this row again we should make one single crochet into each stitch of previous row and continue making these single crochets until the end of the row. And after that we should repeat row 2 several times until make a rectangle that the height of the rectangle covers the widest part of your foot. I mean, the height of this piece, this rectangle, wraps around all of your fingers, okay? So I will repeat row 2 several times to make a rectangle, and then I'll come back. Okay, I made 26 rows of single crochets in total, and my rectangle is ready. Now, at the end of the last row, fold the piece in half and make a chain, and then insert the hook here at top of the last stitch and into the first stitch from the first row, and grab the yarn and pull it through to make one slip stitch. Now go to the next hole here at the end of previous row here, and then go to the next hole of this side at the end of the second row and make one slip stitch. Again, Go to the next hole at top of next row from this side and into this hole at top of front row, and make one slip stitch and continue this work and join all rows of this part to the front part with slip stitches. And these slip stitches are placed into the work at the end. Continue that work and join these two edges together at the end. Make a chain and cut the yarn. Okay. Now, for this part, the front of our feet, weaving this tail with a needle back and forth through this hole at the end of each row, and pull that and repeat that work. Pull the yarn and insert the whole needle into this stitch, the first stitch, to form a ring here, and pull the yarn completely to close the ring, and then make some stitches to secure the hole. One more time, make that work. Okay. And this part is placed in front of our fingers, and after that we should join a few stitches of these two edges together. So, insert the needle into the first stitch from this side and into the first stitch from the other side. And join next two stitches from both sides together. 2, 3, 4, and repeat that work for next 10 stitches. Okay, and at the end make a tie to secure the last joining. Okay, and cut the yarn. And now turn the work to right side, and then we should hide these tails through the work. Now with another yarn, insert the hook here into this space, this stitch, and attach the yarn, and after that make 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch Then go to the next stitch and work 1 half double crochet into that. Again, 1 half double crochet into the next. And hide the tail through the work and repeat that work for other stitches of this edge and this edge. Make 1 half double crochet into each stitch. Okay, now make a chain and turn the work and make 1 half double crochet into each half double crochet of previous row. Continue around this edge. Okay, now at the end of this row, again make 1 chain, turn the work and make 1 half double crochet into the each stitch of previous row and continue until the end. Okay, and after making 3 rows of half double crochets, fasten off and cut the yarn and hide the tail through the stitches. From this side, because we want to fold this edge okay. And at the end, our beautiful slipper is ready. You can fold this edge in this side and use this beautiful slipper and make that for each size you want and use that. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.